2011 Cadillac Escalade Esv. This one is all-wheel drive and in excellent shape. The Cadillac Escalade, of course, is an American icon, a faceplate of America, one of the best-looking SUVs rolling down the road. This one is a black on black with the 22-inch chrome wheels. Just rolling down the road, it's for sure a head turner. I'm going to try and do just a quick video walk around here for you. Go a little bit more in depth than what pictures can show. Show you some of the blemishes on this one. Show you what the features are, how it's equipped, and just in depth on what this specific Cadillac is. This one is the black Raven color, a gorgeous gloss black color. Just shines in the sun, extremely lovely. Definitely, if you're going to get a black vehicle, Cadillac is one of the top to get. And then not only that, but an Escalade. This looks like what you'd see rolling around Washington D.C. or for government use. It's just an absolutely lovely thing, just classy and you know, a status symbol, yet providing all the comfort and functionality of, you know, what a common Suburban would. So if you want to be able to just use a vehicle like a Suburban does, but just have a little bit more clash to it, this is definitely it, because underneath that's all they are, nothing different, but you do get all that benefit of the style and luxury. So we'll jump up here to the front. Front's in good shape, headlights are still in good shape. They don't show any fogging or major chipping or anything like that, so that's good. You know, a little bit of light rock scuffs, but nothing like that. The whole front end though is in nice shape. Just not all bugged out or lots of rock chips or anything like that. You know, some light ones like this that have been touched up already, so they're fine. Just a few little nicks like that. That's just to show that it's a used vehicle. It's been on the road, but very, very clean on the front end overall. You do get the nice Cadillac chrome grille as well that really sets the look. These are HID headlights, so very, very bright for night, which that's nice as well. Looking down this passenger side, it's in very, very nice shape. It does have one little mark here in the paint. It has been touched up as well, so it's sealed, not going to be a problem. Just a little nick there. Yeah, this paint is like a mirror, so you kind of get all the reflections. You kind of have to make sure you look at it just at the right angle, but just very, very clean, very, very sharp. Down low here is in good shape. It's not all doesn't have a bunch of rock rash or anything like that. You know, a few little light scratches like this. They don't show very much though, like this here, but those are well below the line of sight, so they're not going to be a problem. The mirror does have one little scratch and chip right here, but it's just on the chrome, so that's not a problem as well. Hood's in nice shape, doesn't have any PDR or hail in it. Whole top end is in good shape. Paint's still good, of course. Looking down this driver's side, once again, just a gorgeous vehicle sitting out here in the sun. It just really pops. All the bumper corners and stuff are in good shape, not all scratched up or have any dents or damage in them from that. Those are common places for this big of a vehicle to get backed into or something like that, so they're all good. So like I said, this is sitting on the 22-inch chrome Escalade wheels. I think that's really what makes or breaks an Escalade. These wheels just really are very sharp. They just really give it plenty of flash. Yeah, they're not too obnoxious, but they're they're definitely what give the Escalade all of its appeal and difference in comparison to another Suburban or Denali. Sitting on Toyo tires, they're in nice shape as well. Probably 50, 60, 70% tread life left, so still plenty of life left in them as well. Yeah, just overall very, very nice. All the wheels are in good shape, no chrome chipping off or anything like that. We'll go ahead and jump on the inside here. Like I said, it does have the black interior, so very classy there. Of course, all power locks, windows and mirrors, power folding in mirrors, so that's nice as well. Memory seats, automatic headlights. The interior is in very nice shape as well. It shows a little bit of light wear. The seats here are in nice shape. They are perforated, heated, and cooled. A little bit of light creasing here on the driver's side, and some light creasing here on the center perforated section, but no rips or tears. Just a little bit of light wear to show that it is a used vehicle. The seats have been sat in. That's not uncommon. Of course, cruise control, steering wheel controls for the radio. Clean and clear dash, of course, if I can get some of the sun out of the way here. This only has 122,000 miles. I don't know if I've mentioned that yet, but that's very, very low for these, especially for a 2011 model, coming up on 10 years old now. That's well below the average, national average especially, and then just for the average of these vehicles. They're usually people put a lot of miles on them, so that's always great. Just really runs and drives great. Do a quick key cycle here. I really love the gauge cluster of the Cadillacs as well versus the Chevys or GMCs. They just do a nice job with the layout and provide plenty of information and stuff. So full touchscreen information and navigation system. It does have a backup camera as well, and all your climate controls, dual automatic climate controls, heated and cooled seats like I mentioned already. AUX input and a USB input as well. Does have the Bose surround sound system, so really great surround sound. Go ahead and jump into the back seat here. It's in nice shape as well. A little bit of light creasing like on this one as well. A little bit of dirt smudges here that just need to be wiped off, but other than that, very nice. These are heated rear seats as well. You do have rear climate controls there. Looking at the rear cargo space, that's what's great about the ESV or the long versions of these. You just get all the cargo space behind the third row, as well as a fully functional third row seat. So that's what's great. You can take everybody along and all their stuff and not have to sacrifice any comfort or space. So, and the passenger rear seat, once again, nice shape. Just no major wear anywhere. Just a little bit of light use wear, but nothing else. A little bit of light creasing, but that's about it. So. And the passenger seat's in very, very nice shape. Once again, just not really any major wear. Just some light creasing. The camera kind of picks it up and makes it look worse even. So, does have the nice rubber Escalade floor mat, so it's kept the carpets all in great shape. Really just a very nice running and driving vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood here. We can take a look underneath. Very, very straightforward under here. Being Escalade, you get the 6.2 liter Vortec V8. Monstrous engine, makes 403 horsepower. Just really flat moves these vehicles down the road. This one's very clean under here. No crazy things going on. No aftermarket stuff. So that's always nice as well. Pretty stock. No leaks or questionable things going on. Very straightforward and just runs, drives, sounds great. Very bulletproof engine. These go so many miles, and truly are just one of the one of the best American vehicles, as they are a American icon, and this one just another example of one in just really great shape. So if this vehicle is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Brad and Miles Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're just a small family dealership. We've been working here for about 20 years. So we get a lot of these Suburban, Yukon, Escalade Expedition platforms in. So if this is not specifically what you're wanting or looking for, then definitely give us a call, because it's highly likely we'll probably have something else either coming in or already on hand that's going to do the same thing, or just a little bit different than what we already have. So feel free to get on our website or give us a call, get it on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we look forward to serving you in whatever way we can. Thanks so much for watching.